Good morning. Everybody would know this is a Four Seasons hatch. Four Seasons because I don't know why, there's only three. So you got lock, rain mode or vent. And that's the controller. Now I've been having problems with these controllers for 6 months or so. The van's only 12 months old, but they've been playing up. So I thought before we went away again I'd just have a look at how they work and lubricate them up. So this one was jamming. I just sprayed some WD-40 in there and it's going well. Now this one over here just wouldn't work, it was jamming, wouldn't open up. So anyway, I figured out how to remove the control. There's nothing in the instructions on how to do it, and I couldn't find anything online how to do it. So after a bit of fiddling and fooling around, I worked out that it was just clipped in. So you got this clip down the bottom and two clips up the top. That's all that holds in. And how it works is, I'll just put it down for a sec. So how it works is when you twist the control knob on the outside, it spins around inside and there's a long spring. And it just pushes the long spring out. And that spring's attached to the flap with a hinge point made of plastic. And it just opens and shuts like that. So I just went out to the Caravan place and asked them for a replacement one under warranty. Apparently there's only 12 months warranty on it, so I may not be covered. They're going to check into it and let me know, but they gave me a replacement anyway. And if I've got to pay for it, I've got to pay for it, and I'll come back to YouTube and let you know how crap Camec are with their warranty, because it has been playing up for 6 months. We'll just put the new one in. So the first thing I got to do is get that little hook on the end of the spring, and that goes around that little plastic clip there in the anchor point. That just pushes in to lock it in place. That will get that done. Put it through the hole up there. Bit fidgety when you got big hands. Put the pin through the hook. Clip it in place. Easy as that. The new bracket, just line it up. Clip on the bottom, two on the sides. Push it into place. There we go. That works. Then we just put the fly screen on. Top lugs first. Slide it over. Clip that in place. There we go. Back in business. As I said, I couldn't find anything on YouTube on how to do that, so I hope it helps somebody.